Hi everybody, I'm Jovana and today we are talking about spring renovations. So let's see what products you can use for your minimal style. A minimalist spring interior look combines simplicity with fresh light elements to create a clean and airy space. But how to achieve these aesthetics? Let's start. Check out our Fillness palette. How about the light color of Cashmere with astonishing deep matte surface or a glossy one, which will help us to maximize natural light. Then we add character using our Greige Tessea, which has a great 3D textile effect. To make it look more elegant, we can add a touch of our deep black color with matte finish. And don't worry, it is matte but totally resistant to your fingerprints. And don't forget to follow our social media channels, download our app, and visit our design centers. Bye!